Hello everyone, welcome to Prasanna's Home Style Cuisine. Today I am going to show you a new recipe, potato roast or potato fry, whatever you may call it. For this, the ingredients are 6 big potatoes. You have to peel it, wash it and cut it into big cubes and keep it ready. Then you need coriander powder 2 tablespoons, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, curry leaves a few, maybe about 8 or 10 curry leaves, salt to taste, and half a cup of water for cooking. Then you need 2 green chilies and a handful or maybe about half a cup of garlic. Asafoetida 1 teaspoon and Kashmiri red chili powder 3 tablespoons and oil 3/4 cup. These are the ingredients. Now let us begin. First and foremost, you have to cook the potato. So take a cooker, put the potatoes, add turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt, a few curry leaves and water. Give it a mix and put it on gas and cook the pressure cooker to 1 whistle. Switch off the gas and then wait till the pressure is completely released. Once the pressure is released, then add oil to a frying pan. When hot, add in crushed garlic and green chilies. Wait for a minute and add the potatoes. Do not stir immediately. Wait till all the water evaporates. Then give a light stir or maybe a toss. Keep going like this for some time on a very slow fire, stirring now and then. It may take some time for the potatoes to become crisp, but you have to continuously put it on low flame. Then once the potatoes are ready, sprinkle the hing powder, the asafoetida powder and the chili powder and give it a light toss and wait till the raw smell of the red chili powder goes. When there will be a smell, it should go. The dish is ready. You can remove it to a serving dish and garnish with fresh curry leaves, or you can even add coriander leaves if you like. Then the dish is ready.